What's up guys, it's Noirad, back with another video. Today what I got for you guys is my SHEIN try on haul part 2. Ain't gonna be a long intro, let's get into it. I don't really know what outfits I'm finna use today, bro, but I got a lot of stuff, so I ain't gonna use all of them today. If y'all remember, last time in my first SHEIN try on haul video, I had a conversation with y'all about female jeans versus male jeans. Now I wanted to try out something, so I bought some girl jeans from SHEIN, okay, and they came in. I mean, look at them. They're cute, right? Like super fucking cute, bro. Look at this. They gonna look cuter when I put them on though. They look a little too big, but I mean, that could work. You know what I'm saying? With girl jeans, you can get them bigger if you want them to be saggier, and then they just come off as more like tomboyish. You know what I'm saying? So let's do this. Alright guys, you see my fits. Hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification also, so you can be notified when I drop another video. And yeah guys, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Bye.